First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the iPhone Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare iPhone Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. Run the software on your PC, then you will see this main interface. Connect your iPhone to the PC via USB cable. The software will quickly recognize your iPhone. Tap Trust on your iPhone to go on. Then the connection will be built up successfully. Data on your iPhone will be scanned out and displayed on the interface. To transfer photos from iPhone to PC, please click the Photos option, then go to Photos or Albums to check all the photos. All your iPhone photos will be displayed in the interface. Tick off the photos you want to transfer, click Export, then choose a location on your PC to save the transferred photos. All the chosen photos will be transferred to your PC directly.